Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add multiple product variants in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to websites, and next to the website you want to add your product variants on, click on Manage Store button. This way you will go straight to the store management area. Once you're here, click on products. Here you will see a list of the available products in your online store, and the product I will add variants on is this classic leather watch. First, I will add a couple of images that I will use them later. Those are my photos or product photos. Now I will remove this old one and use these new photos. Now, to add product variants, simply go to options and click on add option. First, give your option or variant a name. For example, first I will go with color, which is simple, and I will case color variants. Let's call it case color, and this is the variant or not. Yes, the first choice name, rose gold, and brushed gunmetal. So for this first variant called case color, those are the available options my customers can select from. Click on save. Now, as you see, this options section is updated. This is the variant or the first variant name, and this is the first variant options. Now, for this variants, you can specifically edit the price, discount price, SKU, and the weight for each variant, for each first variant. So here I will keep all. So let's go with, instead of 120, let's go with, so the 120, $180. And here you can pick an image for each option, or not option, variant choice. Let's go. Unfortunately, you can't upload, or you can only use your uploaded images here. So if you want to give your variant a photo, a dedicated photo, you need to upload it here in the product images. Now let's add another option, which in my case I will call it, for example, case size. And for the options to choose from, I will go with 30. And of course, you can reorder them like that. Click on save. Same thing, you will see another now I want to same thing, they are the new variants are added here, checking this price. So let's adjust it, for example, 150, 20, for example. And here you can pick a different product or variant photo from here. I'm a little bit confused. So color size, I have 3 options, and for the case size, I have other 3 options: 120, $180, matte black. Now I understand. Since I already have three color variants and also 3 color size, so now the matte will be available in the 40, 38, and so the total is 9 variants, 3 times 3. So this is why here I saw 8 product variants. Those are the Let's count them from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is this last one. So here you need to read carefully the variant name. So matte black 40 mm. Give it the correct photo. Matte black 38. Matte black 42. So this is matte black 40, 38, 42. Then you will see rose gold 40, 38, and 42. Then you will see brushed gunmetal for 40, and so on. Now here you can edit each variant photo price, that comes with price SKU from this table. Now that I added those two variants, click on save. And let's check. Till now, those new product variants are not published online because you need to click on publish in editor to switch back to the website editor. Then click on update website from this corner. Now that my website is updated, let's view it live. Go to shop. And this is, I think, no, this is the product I've just edited, classic leather watch. Click on it, and those are the product variants I just added. 3 case color variants and 3 case size variant. As you see, as I select the variant, the price updates instantly, like that. And same thing for the photo. When you switch, this is why you should pick correct photos for each variant. For example, if I select rose gold watch, this photo should reflect that. And this is how to add multiple product variants in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.